Your frame hardware should consist of 2 long metal pieces, 2 shorter pieces, as well as corner hardware. Make sure the screw heads are facing you and the flat metal backplate is aligned with the front. Take these aligned pieces and insert them into the thin metal channel of one of the longer bars. Hold your hardware in place and tighten the inserted screw. Repeat this process on the other side of the metal bar. Now take the shorter metal pieces and slide them into the open corner hardware. Make sure your bar is aligned properly to slide in, or a gap or misalignment may occur when attaching the corner pieces. If this does occur, it is easily fixed by adjusting your placement and screw tightness. After you've completed your 2 sides, insert your cover, matting, artwork, and backing. Once your artwork is placed, complete your frame by repeating the corner hardware steps on the last rail piece.